everyone, it's Brad here. Now, if you're really serious about improving on the Irish tenor banjo, you need two things working early on: a solid picking hand and clean controlled scale playing with the left hand. Now, in this short lesson, I'm going to give you two essential exercises that build both. We're going to be using a metronome throughout because timing is everything with Irish music, and all music to be fair. So if your timing is solid, everything else becomes easier. So let's dive straight in. We're going to start with exercise number one. It's an open string exercise. We're going to start with something really simple. That's just the open strings of G, D, A, and E. But don't underestimate this. This is where real control is built. Now, part one is a 4/4 exercise using eighth notes. We're going to set the metronome to 80 BPM in 4/4, but if you're brand new, maybe 60 or 50 BPM might work better for you. But we're going to play one bar of eighth notes on each string, moving from the G down to the E. This means down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So down stroke, up stroke, 8 times. Nice and even. The goal here is small picking strokes, so keep that plectrum close to the string. The wrist must be relaxed. We want an even tone and no rushing. So I'm going to give you a count of 4 and we're going to go through that exercise together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Cool. So keep everything consistent. No strings should sound louder or weaker than the others unless you mean to. We want to loop that a few times and just move in through all the strings. Now again, if that becomes super easy at 80 BPM, the idea is you push it up to 90. And once that gets easy, 100, 110, 120, and so on and so on. Now let's move on to something else. Let's turn this into something a little bit more Irish feel. And we're going to switch the metronome to a 6/8 metronome. Again, just type it into YouTube or Google, 6/8 metronome, 80 BPM. Now, the reason this is important, most jigs, Irish jigs, are in 6/8 time. So it's really important that you get this down. Now, we're still at 80, but now the feeling is going to be 2 groups of 3. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there's 6 notes on every string. We're still playing eighth notes, but now we're going to accent the first note and the 4th note of every group of 6. And that's going to be down, up, down, down, up, down. So we're going to move across the G, the D, the A, and the E. This is crucial because, again, so many Irish tunes are jigs. And you need to get this down. Okay, so let's try that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so focus on that subtle accent, not heavy, just enough to create shape. So we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We hit the 1st and the 4th just that slight bit harder. That's what an accent is. Now, if this feels stiff, slow that metronome down, relax, and the speed will come later. Okay, so let's move on. I'm just pop my metronome back up to 4/4. We're going to move on to exercise number 2. This is the A major scale over 1 octave. Now we're going to bring the left hand into it here. We're going to play the A major scale over 1 octave, starting from the open A string. That's this one here. And the pattern is open, 2, fret 4, fret 5, and then open, fret 2, fret 4, fret 5 on the E string. So I'll do that again. Open A, fret 2, fret 4, then fret 5, open E, fret 2, fret 4, and then fret 5. I'm using different fingers for every note. I'm not using the same finger. That's not what we want here. Try and use separate fingers. Index, ring, pinky. Index, ring, pinky, and then back in reverse. So that'll give us our A major scale. So make sure every note is alternate picked, down, up, the whole way through. Again, we've got the metronome set up at 80 BPM in 4/4. And we're just going to be playing eighth notes. So I'm going to give you a count of 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. need to focus on here is clean string crossing, an even volume, no gaps between the notes, and the fingers close to the fretboard. Again, plectrum needs to be close, no buzzing or hesitation. If it's too hard, please do slow this down, or if it's too easy, speed it up. Now, this exercise builds coordination between both hands. It's simple, but it's extremely powerful and effective when it's practiced consistently. So let's just do a quick recap. So today we've worked on the open strings in 4/4 time, open strings with a jig feel in 6/8 time, the A major scale with clean alternate picking. Now these are fundamentals, and they might not sound flashy, but they're exactly what makes your playing solid. So if you practice them slowly, use that metronome, build consistency, and then increase the speed. So if you'd like more structured beginner exercises like this, you can download my free Banjo Basics ebook. Link will be in the description below. Walks you through some scales, picking, essential foundations, step by step. Now, if you found this really helpful and you've enjoyed this video, I'll pop another video that you might find helpful on screen here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.